So, what is monophthongs? Monophthongs are single sounds that remain the same throughout pronunciation. Monophthongs are single sounds that remain the same throughout pronunciation. Mono means one. From that, I think you should guess the meaning. Okay? So the monophthongs are also divided into two. Short vowels and long vowels. Okay? There are 7 short vowels and 5 long vowels. See, short vowels are 7 in number. Long vowels are 5. Look at the long vowels again. What do you notice? You notice that the long vowels have 2 dots. That's a column in front. That is how to identify or how to differentiate a long vowel from a short vowel. And the difference is the length of pronunciation. That is the difference between vowels, short vowels and long vowels. The length of pronunciation. Do you understand? But these sounds can be very confusing if you are not careful. If you can't do the needful, you still find them difficult. But with consistency and constant practice, believe me, you get them right in no time. So now, how do you pronounce these sounds? This sound is pronounced as ah, 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 e, 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 o, 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 e, 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 u, 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 a, 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 e, e, e. Those are short vowels. Long vowels. Ah, 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 e, 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 o, 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 eh, u, u, u. See? Very simple to pronounce. But you have to practice constantly before you master the pronunciation. Okay. Now, diphthongs. Diphthongs are sounds that glide from one vowel sound to another. Diphthongs are sounds that glide from one vowel sound to another. From die, that means two or double, or by means two or double. So diphthongs is made up of two vowels, but the two vowels make one in a syllable. Okay, so there is, a glide from one sound to another. Right? The movement of the tongue from one sound to another. And there are 8 diphthongs in English. Now let's pronounce them. I. Repeat after me. I. I. Oi. 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 A. 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 At times when we pronounce this sound, it sounds like an A. Okay, when we pronounce some words containing the sound, but it is A. It may sound like an A, but it is A because you don't have A as a sound. You only have A as a letter. Therefore, the sound is an A. Ear, ear, ear. Oor, oor, oor. Eh, eh, eh. Ow, ow, ow. Ew, ew, ew. So in American English, this is pronounced as an O, O, O. But in British English, it is L, L. We'll still be looking at each of these sounds in separate videos for you to fully understand these concepts. Before that, let's go to consonants.